What's up, people? It's your boy right here, bringing you this quick video showing you how I set up Maschine inside of Ableton when sampling. You might want to still chop it up in Maschine but lay it out in Ableton, and I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So first of all, what you want to do in Ableton is go to your plugins folder, go ahead and find Maschine effects and drag and drop that. You're gonna have to use Maschine effects for it to work. So once you do that, it'll create an audio track, as you can see here, named Maschine effects. But I like to rename that. Alright, and after that, you want to insert a MIDI track. Now, where it says MIDI from, that first drop down box, select that track you just renamed, and that'll automatically change this second box to Maschine effects. Now go down to MIDI 2 in that first drop down box, do the same thing, and you'll see it automatically change that to Maschine effects also. Now over here in Maschine, you go to Group A, right click, hit Sound MIDI Batch Setup, make sure you click Sounds to MIDI Channel, hit Apply, go down to Sound 1, right click that and find Sound MIDI Settings. Check the Enable box, make sure it's on channel 1, hit OK. And then the Input section, hit that drop down box, Input 1 L&R, make sure you select that. Now before you start recording in Maschine, you want to go over here to Ableton and make sure that this track is armed. And once you do that, you can go to Maschine and hit Start so you can start recording. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, now that we got something recorded, I go over in Maschine, hit Edit, and hit Normalize. You can see the waveform there from the sound we just picked up. And once you get that chopped up and laid across the pads, whatever, however you like it, and ready to lay it down in Ableton, you go back over here, arm the MIDI track that you created, insert a clip, go ahead and launch that clip or scene, however you do it, hit record. Let me change the length, the bar length on here, hit record. That's pretty much it. Like I said, real simple. If you got any more questions about Ableton, hit me up, let me know. I'll try to get back at you. I'm out.